Namaskar. Nowadays, you spend more and more time on different types of screens. The strain on your eyes increases a lot. Late sleeping time and stress brings insomnia. Also is a cause of strain on your eyes. These factors can cause puffy or swollen eyes. While not harmful in most of the cases, puffy eyes can cause a lot of discomfort in you. So today let me teach you how to manage puffy eyes. And at the end I will also share a long-term tips to manage this condition. But first let's see what causes puffy eyes. Puffy eyes happens when fluid collects in the tissues around the eyes. Some of the most common reasons for puffy eyes are not enough sleep, too much salt, allergies, hormonal changes, crying, even too much screen time. Okay, now that you know what causes puffy eyes, let's look at some effective remedies to manage this condition. First, we have a DIY anti-puff serum. To make this serum, you will need 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 2 drops of vitamin E oil, 1 drop of lavender or rose essential oil. Mix all these ingredients to form a lump-free gel. Store it in a little jar and apply under your eyes before bed. Aloe suits vitamin E repair and the oil helps calm inflammation. The next remedy is chill chamomile tea eye compress. This is an effective remedy because chamomile contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that calms irritated skin and reduce swelling. What you have to do is steep 2 chamomile tea bags in warm water for 1 to 2 minutes. Take them out and let them cool. Then chill them in fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Lie down and place these cool tea bags over closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat 2-3 times a week for cumulative effect. The third remedy is diluted salt water soak. See, salt has a mild osmotic properties that can help draw out excess fluid from under the eyes. That is why this remedy can help you manage puffy eyes. For this remedy, mix half teaspoonful of sea salt or Himalayan salt in 1 cup of warm water. Soak cotton pads in the mixture, wring them out slightly and place over your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. Be very careful while using this remedy and make sure you avoid getting salt water into your eyes. Remember, this remedy is best used occasionally, never daily. Next, we have an aloe vera with hazel eye gel for you. See, aloe vera hydrates and soothes your skin, while with hazel, it's an astringent that reduces inflammation and tightens skin. Even studies show that aloe vera gel reduces puffy eyes by hydrating the skin and reducing inflammation. So this combination can be very effective for those who have a severe puffy eyes problem. What you have to do is mix 1 teaspoon pure aloe vera gel with 2-3 drops of rich hazel essential oil. Soak a cotton pad and gently dab under the eyes or apply a thick layer on the puffed up under eye area. Leave it on, no need to rinse. And finally, we have therapeutic under eye massage for puffy eyes. Take some coconut oil or lavender oil on your ring finger. Gently tap and massage on the inner corner of your eyes to the outer. Do it for a minute or 2. This improves lymphatic drainage and reduces fluid buildup, which is a major cause of puffy eyes. Now, at the end, let me also give you long-term prevention tips. Remember, fixing puffy eye isn't just about what you put on your skin. It's also about what's happening inside. So, you will have to make some long-term lifestyle changes to get rid of puffy eyes. Getting enough sleep should be your priority. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Try sleeping on your back with an extra pillow to keep fluid from pooling around your eyes. Next, don't eat too much salt because too much sodium can cause water retention in your body. Cut down on packaged snacks and salty food. Third, eat potassium-rich food like bananas, spinach, sweet potatoes. These help reduce water retention. And don't forget to reduce screen time. Blink more. Take screen break. Your eyes, your skin will thank you. One very important thing to remember is that the skin around your eyes is very sensitive. So, before you try any of these remedies or use any new ingredients around that, do a patch test. And remember, your skin reflects how you live, not just what you apply on. Take care of your eyes, and they will take care of you. Namaskar.